is BJ.
And Rātou, Winton School. I'm Lily. Welcome to N.E.W.S News, Rātou, the last day of March.
Okay, let's start the day with magazine T-News.
You have a meeting in the group room at lunchtime. Kia ora.
Sports news. Still a few items of sport gear being left out at the end of lunch and playtime.
Please return all equipment to the trolleys. Kia ora.
Okay, into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is Aranga, which is Te Reo for
Easter! Easter Bunny! Ka pai. HiViz Vests. Nearly all students are now wearing their HiViz Vests. Remember, every day to and from school. Library news. Wednesday is the last day for lunchtime returns this week.
all books need to be returned by Thursday.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite apo'po.
Haere, WINTON SCHOOL.